Good morning. It is the 22nd of October 2012, a Monday. We have no news scheduled for today regarding whether we're going to have a ranging or consolidating day. That's not too certain because we have an overnight range of 7 points, which is not too bad. A DAX range of 42, which is well, same as it was last Friday. There's no pre-market news, so we really don't have any strong indicators whether we'll be consolidating or ranging. Market's opening in about 9 minutes. We'll wait for that. Okay, we're at the deeps for this short-term fib range right here. We're also at a trend line high, so we do have a lot of separation on 610 and the other MACDs. So this is a potential area for a reverse. We'll want to watch for a signal. Okay, I was pulled away from my desk and we had a pretty good couple of shorting signals here, but we'll look for a opportunity, a pullback maybe, to get in. Okay, we've got ourselves a sideways moving market. Nothing much to do but sit on our hands and keep an eye on things. A 987 looks like we have a bull flag, so could have further up. This kind of a formation, three BBs in a line, that often says up. 4181 up, could curve around here. Have kind of a funky foot going on 233. 233, change up. We were at a trend line and support, so this could move up, but need some kind of confidence in that before we dive in. Okay, here we are again at the far end of this deep area of fib, this fib zone, and it's fairly likely that we'll have a reversal here, but we've really got strong indications for more up, especially with this 410 4181 BB that's on the rail here. So we could easily pop up, and look how strong these BBs are. I mean, and here we have a bounce. That's also an indicator of more up. So I wouldn't be surprised if we pop through here. Wouldn't be surprised if we came back down either. It's just that kind of a situation. Get a lot of pressure to break through, a lot of upward volume. We have another trend line and resistance point converge right here at 819.7. So if we pop through here, and it looks like we are, that's probably our next opportunity to look for a reverse. This little maneuver was pretty clever. If you had a stop just above this previous pivot, which this point matched, it would come up and let's see, within 2 ticks it would have gotten you a nice head fake for a short. Came back up. So, you know, hey, gotta be clever here. Try to be. Still think we could get up to this point in reverse. Could also go down from here. Or continue up. This guy's saying I'm going to take a little ride higher. Okay, we could have a signal coming here. We got a very nice downward V on 610. Separation, a bit of separation on 4181. Okay, this baby is definitely gonna close here.
610 change down.
See if we can get filled.
Order filled.
Okay, we're in for a short. Got a really strong 610 and not a lot of resistance from the bigger boys. Got some nervousness going on. The reason being, I think, is because, you know, we've come back this far on our short range fib area right in here. But we got to go with our signals. We got to go with our system, or we do not have a way to be consistent. Okay, I got stopped out.
377 change up.
Stopped out with one car here, and I'm gonna stay in this baby. Okay, we're finally back to scratch on this trade with the second car. Let's see if we can get a runner going. And please note, my first stop got hit to the tick before the turn back down. Okay, here we go. We're getting a little action. See if we can break through this bottom. Okay, we popped through this point of support right here, which is pretty strong with a trend line, and our next support is down here. We'll see if we can get down there. You know, it's hitting me now that you know, we're in a channel roughly 819 to 815, 816, pretty narrow channel, a little 4.5 points, and you know, I'm still trading this like we're in a trend day. Take the trade here, expect it to break out of this channel. So, you know, I'm trying to make predictions about whether we'll be in a range or channel day, but then I don't react accordingly. I didn't have a prediction for today, but I saw that this looked like a channel. So, you know, your trades are up. Your trades are in here on a pullback, down here on a pullback. I'm getting in as if, you know, this is a trend and it was going to break through, and it may break through now, but you know, hey, I shouldn't be counting on that. I shouldn't be playing it that way, should I? It's difficult, isn't it? Okay, we just tapped a support line here that's pretty strong. Trend is still down. Indies, if this 987 comes to the rail, if this BB closes below this Bollinger, we should have more down. You know, got a real conflict going on here with this typical reversal area and these indies. So, you know, this is the tough part of it, right? This is it. Okay, here we come down yet again to this strong point of resistance.
987 change down.
Support rather.
610 change down.
See if we can break through it. keep attempting to do so. 4181 though is on the rail, so I don't have a lot of confidence, but we'll see. Okay, we got price to finally break this support level by actually it matched this level. Okay, we had a BB print below 1597. I didn't catch that till just now, but that's significant. That's a nice V down from above. We just got indications of long. 4181 could hold us up, but we just got some pretty strong indications of a short, rather. Sorry. Alright, now we're down to, we've touched this low. Let's see if we can break that. And we got this potential support right under it, so, you know, like so many of these trades, you run into a forest of obstacles for price movement. And we tapped this support line. Okay, that could have been a little head fake, or this could be a retracement. It's just, you know, difficult to say. But our indies are saying stay in, so let's try to go with that. Here we're right at that SR line, that support line we talked about, set over here. It's being heavily respected. We're also right near the opening of the day, so we've got lots of reasons to look at a reversal here. Okay, we've broken through, and now we want to move our target before it gets hit. Should probably move our stop up. In case something goes wild. Okay, so we've proven that we can break the opening of the day. Our next support is down here. Might be able to make it down there. $15.97 is at lower Bollinger Band. Could bounce. Getting separation on these other indies, so and again, we've just got all kinds of support and resistance in this area. It's just been a lot of activity for the last several business days. Okay, we're going lower. Time to move our markers. We're still tapping all kinds of support resistance areas down here, especially back from the 21st. Well, hell, that was yesterday. Okay, that's it for me today. I've had one trade and got in here for a short, took a lot of heat, took out one stop, and then had a pretty fair runner. I thought he was going to go further. He probably will. My trailing stop took him out. Okay, here's my results for the day. One trade, lost one tick. Let's take a look at what happened today. Okay, here the market opened coming in very flat, and there was a nice move up, but that wasn't a strong signal for a long. And besides that, this was when market opened. Here we had a pretty nice move, pretty nice indicator of a short. As you can see, the 440 came from above, and the 610 had a fairly nice move down. So that would have given me my first target, the 1 point, and would have made some money on that. Plus, you know, we were in the deeps here, so not sure why I didn't take that. Alright, here we come along, and no good signals. Here comes a signal right here. This is a great signal to enter. For some reason, I didn't get in till over a minute later. I don't know what that's about. Is it the way the BBs paint? I don't think so. In any case, maybe I'll replay this and try it. If I would have gotten up and around here, I would have gotten my first target, been able to fade this heat, and then go on for, you know, depending on how long I wanted to stay in, some more profit. So, you know, hey, live and learn. But I will do a replay to see why I got into this so late, because right here, look at that 610. Up, bingo, down, right there at the top of this bar. Had plenty of time to get, if I would have gotten in by here, would have gotten my point. Should have been able to fade, take that heat, and then go on to my second target of 2.5 points. So, live and learn. Also, still have this big question mark about recognizing trending versus consolidating days, and then adjusting my strategy accordingly. So it was a good learning day. Lost one tick. Best of trading to you, and we'll see you tomorrow.